In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube won't rotate on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, when the YouTube app refuses to rotate sideways, it's usually caused by a locked iOS control center toggle or an orientation bug. So what you want to do is firstly swipe down on the top right of your screen, and you're going to see this orientation button, which is the one I'm clicking right now. And if it looks like this, that means it's locked. As you can see, the padlock is fully locked. So what I want to do is I want to just press it again and unlock it, which is going to allow me to basically switch it to landscape mode whenever I want. So all I want to do now is open up YouTube and then go to whichever video I want. So let's say I went to this one, and now I can press this arrow, and now it's going to go landscape mode whenever you want. And that's literally it. So if you also want to, and if it's not like working manually just by, like turning your phone, then press the arrow icon on the bottom right of the video, and then that's going to also do it for you as well. Just as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials as well.